Hello friends, welcome to the Crypto Skill. In this video I will show you how to buy your first cryptocurrency step by step. This guide is beginner friendly, simple, and easy to follow. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. A cryptocurrency exchange is a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade digital assets. There are many exchanges available. Some popular and trusted ones include Binance, low fees, best for global users. Coinbase, beginner friendly and easy to use. Kraken, highly secure with good customer support. Bybit, KuCoin, great for advanced traders and altcoins. Choose an exchange based on your country and available payment methods. Step 2. Create an account. Go to the exchange's website or download their app. Click on Sign Up and enter your email and password. Verify your identity, KYC, by uploading a government-issued ID. Set up Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA, for extra security. Step 3. Deposit funds. To buy crypto, you need to deposit money into your exchange account. Go to the Deposit or Add Funds section. Choose a payment method. Bank transfer, lower fees but may take a few days. Credit or debit card, instant deposit but higher fees. PayPal or other payment methods available on some exchanges. Crypto transfer. If you already own cryptocurrency, you can deposit it from another wallet. Enter the amount and confirm the deposit. Step 4. Buy your first cryptocurrency. Once your funds are available, go to the Buy, Sell section of the exchange. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another coin. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Choose your payment method and confirm the transaction. After confirmation, the cryptocurrency will appear in your exchange wallet. Step 5. Store your crypto safely. Once you buy cryptocurrency, you need to store it securely. There are two types of wallets you can use. Hot wallets, online wallets. Examples: MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Binance Wallet. Best for short-term storage and easy access. Cold wallets, hardware wallets. Examples: Ledger, Trezor. Best for long-term storage and security. It's recommended to transfer large amounts of crypto to a cold wallet for extra safety. Step 6. Crypto safety tips. Always keep your private keys and seed phrase secure. Never share them with anyone. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Be careful of scams, phishing emails, and fake crypto giveaways. Avoid storing large amounts of cryptocurrency on an exchange for long periods. Conclusion: that's it, you have successfully learned how to buy your first cryptocurrency. To recap, choose an exchange, create an account, deposit funds, buy crypto, and store it securely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.